today I'm gonna open one of these LOL. I'm gonna open this first. And this is glitter, serious, and this is under wrap confetti pop. Goodbye LOL. This glitter series might have 7 surprises, and this is the zip that you can open. Whoa, what's this? It's our secret message. Well, I don't know what is this. It's a light and a camera and a human. Now, where's the other zip? Oh, here is it. Just open it. This is hard. I think I'm gonna start from here. Not again. Wait. Okay. Here's our stickers. Cute stickers. Okay, the other side. Alright. Don't tell me. I have to open this again. Whoa. How do I open this? Oh, that's easy. Okay, let's see the first surprise. It says surprise inside. Ooh, look at this. It's a sippy cup. So glittery at the top side. And pinky. Squeeze. Okay. Let's see the other side. Ouch. Wow. Confetti circle. See the other surprise. Let's see if we got somewhere. We got some shoe here. Oh, these shoes look cool. See? Some sneakers. Put them right here. And now where's the other side? Oh, come on. Where I was thinking about this. Okay, let's see. Top side. This might be the dresses. Ooh, we got some nice pants. Hey, put this on. This is cute. Some nice pants. It's so glitter. My head is even glitter. Now, anything? Wait, something is inside. Oh yeah, some shirts. Go Confetti, you silly! I think it's like this. It's so cute. Ta-da! Can't really stand well. Okay, it's time to open it. Put this somewhere. Whoa! Hey, this is the instruction. Let's take a look at it. Ooh, there's so many glittery, LOLs. I know some of these LOLs. And let's see the back. Ooh, it's so pretty. And so glittery. Okay, let's just pull it up first. I'm gonna put it aside. Now, just gonna open this first. Right. What's in here? I think might be something for that LOL. Ooh, what's this? Some kind of thing or something? Ooh. I think I can let the LOL wear it. It's amazing. Now we'll check it out. What's this actually? Oh. Here we go. Put this right here. something glittery. Whoa. Oh, her hair is so glittery. She got glitter on her face as well. Look, she's so pretty. Let's get her dressed up. Okay, let's dress up her shirt. What is going on? I don't want glittery on my hand. Well, I did got glittery. Let's see there are 7 surprises or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Our clothes on, so put it. Okay, done. Then now let's put her pants. Ooh, some glitter. Look, she's so cute. Let's put something. What's this actually? I don't know how to. What is it called? Put it around her head. How do I put it? I can't put that. Okay. Let's just try it again. Okay, let's put a shoe on. Put one by one. Wait. Stop filling shoes. Okay, she looks perfect. Look how cute she is. This cup, she can hold it. Okay, maybe she will tinkles, I guess. So let's take out her shoe and pants. She can pee. Okay, nope. We looked at this doll.